Hello, welcome back to the pre-market analysis today. So let us quickly, review the stock radar for today. Stock to be in focus because of results. Many of the stocks are in focus because of its individual news. So there are many stocks in focus, and also broadly we will review our Indian market and global cues for our Indian market as well. Before going to that, let me give a disclaimer that the content we are discussing is only for educational purpose. It is not a buy or sell recommendation, guys. Without any further delay, directly let us jump into the stock radar for today. If you look at the stock radar for today, JSW Steel will be in focus because the company, through its wholly owned subsidiary JSW Steel Netherlands, has executed transaction-related documents to acquire 66.67% economic interest in the MRES NSW via subscription to its non-voting Class B shares. So, because of that, JSW will be in focus. This has executed the transaction related document to acquire 66% in the MRES NSW via subscription to its non-voting Class B shares. So then comes Kotak Mahindra Bank, Sonata Finance and BSS Microfinance, both wholly owned subsidiaries of the bank, have approved a scheme of amalgamation of Sonata with BSS on a going concern basis. Because of that, Kotak will be in focus. Then comes Wipro. Subha Tatavarthi has resigned as a chief technology officer of the company effective August 16 to pursue opportunities outside Wipro. So then comes Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC. Parag Jogalkar has resigned as a chief financial officer and key managerial person of the company to pursue the career opportunities outside the company. Because of that, Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC will be in focus. Wipro also because of kind of the same reason. So then comes GR Infraprojects. The company has received a letter of interest from REC Power Development and Consultancy for the establishment of a transmission scheme for the integration of Tumkur second REZ in Karnataka, valued of 53 crores. Because of that, it will be in focus. Then comes Power Grid Corporation of India. The company has been declared the successful bidder under the tariff-based competitive bidding to establish an interstate transmission system on a build, own, operate, and transfer basis. So the project comprises the uh, augmentation of the transformation capacity and associated base extension works at the existing Badla third substation in Rajasthan. Because of that, power grid will be in focus. The company, in order to put it in simple words, the company has declared a successful bidder for this kind of a project. That's it. So then comes KPI Green Energy. The company has approved and launched its QIP on August 12th. The floor price has been fixed at 983.20 per share. So because of that, KPI Green Energy will be in focus. Because of results, there are few stocks will be in focus. Then come for very first comes Vodafone Idea. Last narrows to 6,432 crores. So then comes revenue falls 0.9%. So then comes NMDC, profit rises to 18%, revenue increases to 0.4%. Then comes Orchid Pharma, profit surges to 212%, revenue rises to 33%. So then comes Olectra Greentech, power grows to 34%, profit grows to 34% and revenue rises to 45%. So then comes WUCO, Housing and Urban Development Corporation, profit jumps to 25% and net interest income grows to 11%. So then comes Indian Railway Finance Corporation, in simple words called as IRFC, profit grows to 1.6% and revenue rises to 1.4%. So then comes Hindustan Copper, profit spikes to 140% and revenue grows to 33%, guys. So keep all the stocks in your radar and watch all the stocks in the today market performance. So let us quickly take a look into our Indian market. So our Indian market, yesterday it has closed 0.08% negative. So morning it opened negative, then it started going up, then it started it gave up all the gains that it has made. So it has closed 0.08% down yesterday. So let us take a look into the American market performance. Dow Jones has closed negative 0.36% negative. It opened positive, then it went down. So then if you look at Nasdaq, 0.21% positive, and it was a kind of a very volatile market. So if you look at American market performance, it's a kind of a mixed reaction, and American market is waiting for the CPI data, which has to be released in this week. I'll also cover a video on that, so don't worry about that. Once it is released, I'll cover a video on that. So then comes the gift nifty. What gift nifty is indicating for our Indian market is a kind of a flat or negative opening. As of now, it is trading 0.14% negative or 35 points negative at 8:17 a.m. So I believe, like, India market can also open negative or a flat today. So that is what gift nifty is indicating. So one more interesting thing about the India is, so yesterday it has released the retail inflation data in our India. It has came down to 3.4%, 3.54%, which is the lowest in the last 5 years. So last June month it was uh, 5.08%. In the last May month it was 4.75%. So all and all, like, it has came down to 35%, 3.54%, which is very constructive and very solid for our India. Let us see how the Indian market is going to react to its numbers. So as of now, Indian market is consolidating in this particular range, 24,300 to 24,400 levels. So as of now, it seems to be consolidating in this particular range. If there are no big triggers, it may continue to consolidate in the same range. If there are triggers, definitely it will start going up or coming down. So that is what the expected news from now. Uh, so we will see how it is going to perform, guys. If you like my content, please hit the like button, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you so very much.